Hey foodies, I'm currently in Korea, which means I'm away from the comfort of my own kitchen, but this doesn't mean I'm away from delicious food. And I wanted to ensure to bring you along on my food tasting adventures, so today we are off to beautiful Yeosu, located in the southern coastal region of South Korea. It was a 3-hour train ride. We started the day off with some brekkie at Papa's Donuts. I got an ice long black and an injeolmi donut, which I had on the train, and it was so delicious. Injeolmi is a traditional rice cake that is coated with bean powder. It's so sweet and tasty, and I also had this favorite snack of mine. Info below. We got off the train, then we headed to the hotel, which had a spectacular waterfront view. Then it was around lunchtime, so we headed to a nearby restaurant which seemed to have good ratings, and all of this came to $23 per person. How ridiculous is that? But I did give it a rating of 6.5 out of 10, as there were some standout dishes like the rice with marinated balloon flour and fresh cockles, and the fish with marinated radish, but the rest were a bit mediocre. Next on the agenda was the cable car ride, and the view was beautiful the way there and back. And post-ride we treated ourselves to my favourite Korean street food dessert ever, the hot dog, and we also got some bang, which I actually ended up liking a little more on this occasion. And that was the end of our first day. Tomorrow we're visiting some tourist favourites, so stay tuned, hit that follow, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye!